Hello my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a Webtoon challenge. Let's get started. Alright, so today what I'm doing is not an official Webtoon challenge. It's a challenge that I made for myself because I really need to finish episode 9 and I figured that making it into a challenge would be interesting and make me more motivated to finish it. It's kind of a lot. I think I have 16 or 18 panels left to complete for episode 9, and usually I can finish about 8 panels in a week because I have college and younger siblings and things like that. So yeah, I cleared up my schedule for today, so I have 24 hours and hopefully I finish it all by tomorrow. And right now the time is 13:11, 1:11, so by 1:11 tomorrow I should be completely done with episode 9, hopefully. So yeah, let's get right to work. I go on Pinterest a lot when I'm working on my webtoon because I'm not very creative, so sometimes I have to look through here for some clothing inspiration and pose references. Plus, it's always good to use references if you don't really know how to draw what you want to draw. This is the second video that I have ever shown my face in. I'm still a bit uncomfortable filming this way, but it's definitely better than the first time. I was thinking about making more regular appearances in my videos. I usually just have screen recordings of my drawing process, but I decided to add clips so that you can actually physically see me working on it. Alright, so I just took a break and I ate dinner and I did some stretching. I have a really good workflow, so I'm already on the coloring, which is amazing. Hopefully I finish all of the coloring before it's time to go sleep. I plan to do a little bit of rendering as well, and then tomorrow I'll finish up the rendering and I should be able to finish this all within 24 hours, which is great. And yeah, so let's get back to work. Alright, so I'm basically done with for today. I did quite a bit of the rendering, so I only have a little bit left to do tomorrow morning, and I should even be done before 1 p.m. because I just had such a productive day today. I haven't worked on my webtoon this quickly before or done so much in such a short amount of time before, so I don't know, maybe I should do things like this more often. But yeah, I'm going to wrap up for today. It's already basically 9 o'clock. It's 8:44, so yeah, my siblings should be going to sleep soon, and I have a few things to do that are not related to Webtoon, like chores and other things. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Alright, so right now is about 11 a.m. in the morning. I had a pretty slow morning. I'm going to start working on episode 9, and I should be able to finish before 1 p.m., which is amazing. So yeah, let's keep working. I don't know why, but the videos that I recorded the next morning were flipped the other way around, so it looks like I'm drawing with my right hand and everything is just on the opposite side, but don't mind it. I'm surprised by how quiet it is when I'm recording. There are 11 people in my family and most of them are younger than me, so you know, it can get pretty loud when there are only a few people speaking, but it's very peaceful and calm today. I have quite a few things to do today, so I'm glad that I was able to do so much work yesterday. It can be really hard to find time for my webtoon because I have so much homework to do. I also like to help watch the little kids from time to time and spend time with my family. It can be a struggle to balance my webtoon, school life, and home life. I'm done with the rest of episode 9. I finished before 1:11. It's 12:32 right now, so I'm almost an hour early. That is all I have for you guys this week. If you guys enjoyed this week's video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next week.